Hello friends, today in Maths chapter 2 we will study about polynomials. So polynomials, now we know that the unknown numbers a, b, c, x, y, z which we use are known as variable. Whichever we don't know and we represent the alphabetic letters for the number or symbol, it is known as variable. While the fixed number value like 1, 2, 3, whatever we are using are known as constants. So unknown numbers are variable and 1, 2, 3 are constants. So when we combine these variable and constant together like 2x, 3y, 5z square, then we get it is called algebraic expression. So when a variable and number combine with each other, they are known as algebraic expressions. So we have studied so many types of algebraic expression like 2x, 2x plus y, x square plus y square plus xy, 2x plus 3, x square plus x plus 1, x cube minus x square plus 7x. So like this so many algebraic expression we have seen. So here only one variable is there. So this algebraic expression is not treated as one variable. Here two variable is there. So it is known as a two variable. Here two variable is there. So it is known as two variable. Here one variable. Here one variable. Here one variable. So only one variable is used, then the algebraic expression is in one variable, or it is more than one variable, here two variable, so it is two variable algebraic expression. Suppose we write x square plus y square plus z square and it has a three variable, then it is known as algebraic expression in three variables. So now we have also used some algebraic expression as formula like parameter of square. We were writing 4 into side. So 4 is the constant and side is the variable. So for s, it is one type of algebraic expression. Then area of square we were writing. Then here side into side means s square. So it is also one type of algebraic expression. Then area of rectangle. Then L into B. So L and B two variables are here. So like this way many algebraic expression we have used. So any algebraic expression we see which has whole power is known as the polynomial. Like here we write x square plus x plus 1, x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1, 3x minus 5. So in this the degree, the power of variable term is the whole numbers, and so they are known as polynomials. But if we think x plus 1 by x, x plus root x are polynomials, then we can see that x plus 1 by x means x is to minus 1. Here x plus x is to 1 by 2. So these powers are not a whole number. They are not a whole number, and so these expressions are not a polynomials. So polynomial means the algebraic expression whose variable power as the whole number as is known as polynomials. So we can say that x cube plus root 2x plus 5 is a polynomial because here numerical value is the root but x has no whole power. But instead of that, if we write x cube plus under root 2x plus 5, then here whole term is containing root, and so it is not a polynomial. So this is a polynomial while this is not a polynomial. So let's write some example of polynomials to study the types of polynomial on the base of number of terms. So 2x, 3x square, 4x cube. Here I write x square plus 5, 2x plus 7, x cube minus 8, x square minus 4. Here I write x square plus x plus 1, x cube minus x square plus 1, x square minus 2x plus 3, x raised to 5 minus x raised to 6 plus 7. Here I write 4x raised to 7. So here you all can see 2x only one term, 3x square one term, 4x cube one term, 4x raised to 7 one term. So the algebraic expressions which have only and only one term are known as monomial. So the polynomial which contains only one term is known as polynomial. Now here you can see the x square plus 5, 2x plus 7, x cube minus 8, x square minus 4. So here 1 and 2 terms, 1 and 2 terms, 1 and 2 terms, 1 and 2 terms. So here all the algebraic expressions contain 2 terms. So such algebraic expressions are known as binomial. While here we can see that they are containing 3 terms, so they are known as trinomial. So the algebraic expression which are containing one term are monomial, which are containing 2 terms binomial, and which are containing 3 terms are called trinomial. So can we say that 2x into 2 is a binomial? Then we can say no, because they are multiplied, they give us only single term 4x. Here multiply is there, so they give here plus and minus. So 2 terms are decided by plus minus sign, not by multiply and divide. So this is only an example of monomial. So now you are clear that the algebraic expression which has only single term is called monomial. The algebraic expression which has the 2 terms are called binomial. The algebraic expression which has the 3 terms are called trinomial. And the more than 3 terms generally we know as polynomial. Now let's write the one polynomial x cubed minus 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So this polynomial has 4 terms 1, 2, 3, 4. In primary standard already you have studied x cube is multiplied with 1. So with the variable multiplied number is known as the coefficient. So here x cube coefficient is the 1, here x square coefficient is the minus 2, x coefficient is the plus 7, and here without variable term is known as the constant term. So here we write x square minus 5x minus 3. Then x square is coefficient is the 1, x coefficient is the minus 5, and constant term is the minus 3. Now let's see the degree of polynomial and types of polynomial on the base of degree. So if we write polynomial x raised to 5 minus x cubed plus 7, then the degree means the highest power of the the variable. So here highest power of the variable is 5. So this polynomial has the degree 5. If we write the polynomial x square minus 2x plus 7, then here this polynomial has the highest power 2, then its degree is 2. Suppose we write x cube square minus x 5 square plus 10. So here power raised to power is given. So first we multiply, and x raised to 6, x raised to 10 plus 10. So highest power is 10, and so its degree is 10. So any polynomial's degree means the highest power of the variable is known as degree of polynomial. Now the types of polynomial. So some example I write x plus 1, x plus 2, 2x plus 3. So in this all the variables has the highest power 1. Such a polynomial's degree is equals to 1, and so the polynomials which has degree 1 are known as linear polynomial. Now we write the degree 2 polynomials like x square minus 3, x square minus x minus 6. So here highest power is the 2, and so degree is 2. So the polynomials which has degree is 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. If we write x cube minus 3, x cube plus 5. So here highest power is 3, and so that degree is 3, and so they are known as cubic polynomial. So degree 1 as linear polynomial, degree 2 as quadratic polynomial, and degree 3 as cubic polynomial. So now we think about these numbers only 1, 2, 3, 5 by 4, 6 by 7, like these numbers. So they do not contain any variable, and variable is not there, so we can take it x raised to 0, y raised to 0, any variable raised to 0, and so its degree will be 0. So these all are constant term, and so the constant term degree will be 0. Now 0 can be multiplied with x also, 0 can be multiplied as x square also, 0 can be multiplied with x cube also, or 0 alone also. Everywhere its answer will be 0, and so we are not sure with which variable it is multiplied, and so the 0 polynomial has no degree, its degree is not defined. And so now we can write the general form of polynomial. With degree n. So now degree n means we know that the highest power is n, and so x raised to n and constant we don't know, so we take it a1 x raised to n, a2 x raised to n minus 1 plus up to so on an, which is known as general form of polynomial. Suppose n equals to 1 we take, then it is a1x plus b, that can be, so degree 1. If it is say that degree 35, then highest power we have to give 35, so x is to 35 minus 2x square plus 7, and it can be written, just we have to see that highest power is the 35. Suppose it is later that the write the degree 100 polynomial, then x is 200 minus 2x plus 3. Suppose it is said that write binomial of degree 50. Now binomial means we have to keep compulsory 2 terms and degree 50, so highest power is 50. So x is to 50 minus 7. Here you can see 2 terms and we can write x raised to 25 square minus 35. This will be also simplified, then x raised to 50 minus 35. So like this way we can construct the polynomials. Let's see the exercise 2.1. First question is that which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. So here first one is given 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now we have studied to be a polynomial. We need x means the variable power is the whole number. So here 2, here 1 power and here 0 power. So all the powers are whole number and also it contains only one variable. So yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. Here also 2 is the whole number and root 2. There is no variable and so we can say that yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. Now here variable as the root means we can write that 3t raised to 1 by 2 plus root 2. So 1 by 2 is not a whole number and so we can say that no, it is not a polynomial in one variable. Now here y plus 2 by y. So 2 by y we can write 2y raised to minus 1 and so we can say no, it is not a one variable, sorry, not a polynomial. Now here 10, 3 and 50, all the powers are whole number but variables are different, they are more than one and so we can say that no, it is not, it is polynomial but not in a one variable, it is more than one variable. Now question 2 is that write the coefficient of x square. So the number which is multiplied with the x square. So here x square into 1 is there and so here coefficient is 1. The side we have to take, so plus 1. Here x square with that minus sign is there, so we will take its coefficient as minus 1 and with the x square pi by 2 is there and so its coefficient is the pi by 2. And here x square term is not there, so its coefficient is 0. Now we are given the question number 3. Give one example each of binomial degree 35. So we want to write binomial. So we know that binomial means 2 term. And degree 35 means highest power we have to take 35. So one term is contain 35 power, like that we will write one term, that is x raised to 35. So remain only to write one term, so that we can write plus 5 also, x raised to 35 minus 7x also. Second term we can write any term, the first term must contain the 35 power. And so these are the examples of binomial into 30 with the degree 35. Now we have the in same question one more is there, monomial of degree 100. So monomial means we want only one term and degree 100. So we can write x raised to 100. We can write x raised to 25 raised to 4. Anything we can write. These all are examples of monomial with the degree 100. Now we are given question for that, write the degree of each of the polynomials. So here degree of polynomial we want to write. So degree means the highest power of variable. So in this question the highest power is 3, so its degree is 3. In this question the highest power is 2, so degree is 2. In this question highest power is 1, so degree is 1. And in this question there is no variable, so x raised to 0 means the power is 0 and so its degree is 0. Now question 5 is given, classify on the as linear, quadratic and cubic. So we know that linear means degree 1, quadratic means degree 2 and cubic means degree 3. So here we can see that highest power 2 means quadratic, x cube degree 3. So degree 3 means it is cubic. Here degree 2, so quadratic. Here degree 1, so it is linear. Degree 1, so it is linear. Degree 2, so quadratic. And degree 3 means cubic.